Maayer Anchol residence by INDESOL architects plus Neoformation architects in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The project, Maayer Anchol, was an endeavor to design a village home for a family of 6 brothers, which is an extension of their old home built by their mother, 35 years back. It was developed in the context of rural setting with a cluster of humble individual tin-roofed cottages. The core challenge of the design was to create a new space which must blend with the surroundings, bringing a sense of completeness complementing the existing built form, upholding its pride and true culture of this home. The newly built form started evolving by organizing spaces around a courtyard. Layering of formal, semi-formal and private spaces around the court ensures a free-flowing connectivity through the verandas and corridors, having the provision to blend with nature but still maintaining the due control and privacy of each space. The journey of your vision will always find a smooth transition from one space to the next, from the outdoor to indoor, indoor to semi-outdoor and semi-outdoor to open terraces before it blends into the lush green gardens stepping into the old courtyard, creating a strong dialogue among the spaces, stitching them together, ensuring optimum visual alliance. Optimum priority is given to ensuring natural light and exposure to nature with natural ventilation. Projected roofs, deep-pitch roof extensions, and corridors around the court help to protect the interior from the heat of direct sunlight and shield it from heavy rain. Optimal apertures and their maximum exposure control give enough options for the internal environment, depending on the climatic conditions. The building is designed with an RCC frame structure with columns resting on isolated footing. The pitch roofs are made with MS hollow box truss and purlin to hold the clay roof tile on top of them. Most concrete surfaces are kept in an as-cast look without any application of finish material. Almost all the vertical walls are made of exposed brick masonry without any plaster. Most of the floor finishes are locally resourced matte-finished ceramic tiles, except for the ceramic paver block used in the driveway. Sliding, folding, and casement windows are made of aluminum profiles with tempered glass infill of various thicknesses depending on size. All doors having exposure to outside environments are made of teak wood and the rest are plain flush doors. The old house had been the witness of loads of memories from the social events and festivals, where social gatherings and mingling among the family members used to spill over to the courtyard, verandas, and informal sittings under the shades of the trees. The very same spirit has played a key role in organizing semi-open outdoor sitting, descending broad steps into landscapes, open-to-sky terraces, and semi-open pavilions apart from the formal spaces to host the same family unions in a broader perspective. All these spaces are fitted out with custom-designed furniture, a lot of which are inspired by the old ones used by the family in different stages of their life.